Bishop, this is a pay to Catholic Church, Saidor. We have made a commitment to help build the church. Existing church needs a lot of maintenance. Our church was built back in 1964. So we need to maintain the church. Because I went to the church service with the administrator and we saw that the church is about to collapse. So we have a policy of the government, core rule, and at the same time also we have a policy that we have a covenant with God, and all our revenue, internal revenue from the province, where we make money, we are blessed, and whatever we take from internal revenue, 1/10 go back to church. We are partnership with church to work to develop a good partnership with churches. Meaning that I give help you, I help also Lutheran Church, I help all SDA Church. We're building a Pani High School now, up in Pani Village, Milling Manus, and also we also help all the other born again Christian churches. So it's one of the normal routine, helping church, working together, partnership with government. So Bishop, I honored you to have here today, and thank you for coming to my office. We as a government, it's a new contract between government and churches to work together, and my honor to have you first as my bishop to come to my office. So this is the money we committed to the church at Saidor, 100,000 for the Catholic Church. It's all in order, and I present you the check of 100,000.
So, thank you, and our church came through long history of with Europeans as European leadership, and now that we come to a time of transition and the local leadership have to take responsibility, and I'm going around visiting the parishes, and I really see a lot of things deteriorating. It needs maintenance, and people are telling me this has been built in the 60s, and now we need to fix it. And I always respond by saying, did it go wrong yesterday so I can come and see it today? If it started going bad already, what did you do? And so that means that we locals will have to take ownership, and the government will be looking at, because you partner, we are partnering with you, the government, to deliver services. And so that is why we'll be looking to the government assistance in whatever needs and necessary to assist us providing service for our people. So that is why a couple of occasions we meet, I keep reminding you that I've been to these places and I've seen the condition. So what do we do? So that's what we'll do.
Thank you. Thank you, Bishop. I'm here to help. I will continue to help. This is my first time helping other church already, and I will continue to support it. I have good men like Marek always coming here with me every time, so we'll make sure that you're a big man and you have a lot of people with responsibility, the church and the congregation. But people like Marek are always there to knock on the door and hello and talking to the governor, so we'll do what we can do to help and build up the partnership, become more stronger, more healthy.
Thank you.
And thank you very much for coming to my office. Thank you. Thank you so much again. Thank you. Marek, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And administrator, thank you very much. Yes. Thank you for making money about it. Yeah.